Love 2012 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.